Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do question number 7, and then I'm going to do question number 8. Now, question number 8 you should definitely graph, but I'm going to do question number 7 because you can also use your graphing calculator. In fact, I would insist that you use your graphing calculator on rational, irrational questions. All right, so here's what I would do. Basically, they're saying which one of these choices is an irrational number. Now, of course, you got to know what an irrational number is. An irrational number is basically any number that has a bunch of decimals, random numbers as a bunch of decimals. It goes on forever, and it's just a random collection of numbers after the decimal place. All right, that's what you're looking for. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in all 4 of these choices, and I'm going to see which one has a bunch of decimals. All right, that's it. That's all you got to do for this question. So now I've already done this, so let me go out and find this question. I don't want to waste time typing everything in. All right, so here, I typed in, and look, whenever you type in your answer choices, try to make your calculator look just like the exam. Don't change anything. So you can see the very first choice is the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, and it has a dot in between. The second one, you have some stacked fractions, a negative 2/3 plus 1/4, so I'm going to do that. This one has 5 times the square root of 81, has a dot in. This has 1/3 plus the square root of 3. Now notice, when you look at my calculator, that's exactly how my calculator looks. Everything, the dot, the stack fractions, the dot, everything, right? But now, here's the key part. When you look, this is a decimal, this is a integer. It has 1 decimal, there's nothing after it. This is a fraction, which is the definition of a rational number. This is just an integer, right? But if you look at this one, look, after the decimal, 0.653841409. It's a random collection of numbers. Now, some of you may go, well, it seems like it's ending. Well, it's not ending. It's just that the calculator cannot display. There's no way that the calculator could possibly display all of the infinite number of random numbers. So it gives you as many as it can. But what you should say is, look at all of these choices. This is the only one that has a decimal with some random numbers. So this is the irrational number. Boom, done. That's it. These kinds of questions in the multiple choice section, no one should ever miss if you have a good calculator, a graphing calculator. It doesn't make sense to me. All right. So I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna post this.